How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is just going to be I took the little MG out to a little car show, and then I'm going to give a little shout out here, and that'll be pretty much to this video. But then I'm going to do another video for some time. I got to work all weekend, so I'm trying to get these videos in, and then I'll do another video, but you'll see that on the next video. But I'll probably put it out a day or two later after this one. But all right. So, before I get this video started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Thank you. If it wasn't for you, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Guys, like I've always said, I'm not going to ask you for nothing. I don't, you know, no support, nothing like that. I don't do all the Instagrams and the whatever, the Facebooks and all that crap. I don't do it. I don't do your PayPal, Gram, whatever stuff. I don't do none of that, guys. Just support anybody that I mention in this video or any of my videos. I'll always leave a link below in the description. And with that being said, I got a channel shout out. I know a couple of guys has already given some shout outs, and I've been talking to him and everything, and he don't got very many subscribers, so please get over there and check him out. His name's Kyle Dehart. It's RKD Scaleworks. Description will be below. All right, now, you know, I got a couple of guys here from the UK that really love my MG, you know, Pete and John, and y'all love it when I do the videos and stuff like that. Well, I took it to a little car show here in town. It's called October Days, and it's more of a festival, you know, more than a car show. The car show's not very big. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to clean these glasses here, and I think I'm just smearing them even more. But there wasn't that many cars there. You know, it's not a big car show. It's just something they threw together for this little October Days. And so I figured I'd show them guys, you know, a few of the cars around town. You know, there's a lot more cars around town than what was there, but like I said, it's one of them spur of the moment, I think, little car shows that not very many people just showed up, knew about it probably. But if y'all know, you know, I live in Booneville, Arkansas, and if any of y'all know, ever heard of Alex Taylor Racing? Of course, now Alex Taylor wasn't there. She's probably doing a shoot. You know, she does that Motor Trend Hot Rod TV. She's the star of the Hot Rod Garage with the other dude. I can't think of his name, but you know, she's on that. And well, you know, she lives here in Booneville. And then you got Nicky Bobby Incorporated, Nick Taylor. You know, he's done some of the drag racing shows, and he's, you know, into all that stuff, and he's even got a YouTube, but he was there. Now, I really didn't talk to him much. You know, I had a lot of people talking to me, a bunch of old friends and everything, but my wife fell that day and I had to run home and stuff, but that's beside the point. And I don't know if any of y'all's ever heard of Lucky 8 Racing. The guy's name's Tom, and he's from Vienna, Austria. Well, you know, he's got a hot rod shop here, and he does all kinds of stuff. Well, he was there, and he brought his car out, and he also had his truck out too. But him and his wife and kids were there. I thought that was pretty cool. I mean, for our little itty bitty old car show that don't amount to nothing, but it was fun, you know, and stuff. Like I said, Booneville has a lot more cars in this town than what was at that car show. Like I said, it was just a little old itty bitty old car show. It wasn't much, but so I took pictures and got a little video of it and stuff. So y'all just sit back and enjoy it. I'll do the video and the pictures, still pictures afterwards, and that's really all this video is about. Go check out Kyle and well, Pete and John. They'll be in the description too. Anybody I mentioned will be in the description. I know Nicky Bobby. He has of course, he's big time YouTuber, so I mean, he's got, you know, he ain't worried about my shout out. But yeah, go check them out. Alex Taylor Racing. Alex Taylor's got a YouTube channel too. Matter of fact, I'll probably put her in the bottom too, even though they don't need my my meager little support. But hey, all right, go check them out. All right, stick around for the video and the pictures. All right, bye. Gold wing doors. Check that sucker out.
Thank you, Alyssa.
Big old spoiler on that thing. Big old Lincoln Continental. Got a 4-wheel drive truck. Here's one, guys. That one's absolutely beautiful. Swamp cooler. Got the old swamp cooler on it. Cougar. Good looking Cougar. Fairlane. 4-door. That very good or not. Here is it. Good looking. Older store. That's something you don't see every day. Seven. There's a good model right there. That'd be a good model idea. Chevy.
Ain't had much trouble out of it yet.
Y'all recognize that one? Stand back to get that in the picture. Nightmare.
Here.
We'll take one.
There, guys, there's Batman. Yep, not a very big turnout, but it is what it is.